Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In this video today, I'm going to talk about Amazon affiliate marketing and how you can make money without using a website. So let's get started right now. Alright, so in order to make money without a website with Amazon affiliate marketing, there's very limited ways because I just want to let you know how the affiliate marketing program works, or the affiliate program works for Amazon, okay? So this is the page for Amazon Associates. That's their affiliate program name. To get to this page, you just go to affiliate-program.amazon.com or just search Amazon Associates and the first link should be right here. Okay, so they've actually updated their site here. They used to call commissions advertising fees. I guess it's been confusing all these years, and I don't know why they didn't change it earlier, but it's commissions. Yay, they finally changed it to commissions. But anyway, their program is very, very stringent, meaning they have a lot of different rules that you have to abide by or else you're going to get shut down. So what is the essence of what Amazon wants you to do? They want you to drive traffic online, okay? They don't want you to just spam links everywhere and not use a website, really. So what they realize, though, is that there are other forms of driving traffic besides a website or an app. So on the front of their web page here, you can see that how do you qualify for this program, right? It's bloggers, publishers, and content creators with a qualifying website or mobile app, okay? But they also have an influencer program. So I'm going to talk about this one thing, and I'm going to talk about how you can do it without the website. So if you don't have the website, you can use this program, and I'll go through this program, the influencer program, with you in a bit. But they do recognize that instead of a website, you can use a YouTube channel, for instance, okay, to drive traffic. So you just click here and you just go through their application process and you got to fill in all their information. I'm not going to do that because once I click in there, I'm already logged in, so I'm already part of the program, okay? So that's how you would go about signing up for the program. How you can make money without a website is using YouTube and the influencer program. Now, before I go into these two items, what not to do, okay? There has been other videos out there for making money with Amazon affiliate program, but without a website, and people are telling you that you can use Amazon affiliate links in email and ebooks and other offline methods, which actually, no, you cannot, okay? You cannot do this. You cannot have affiliate links in ebooks. It's against their terms. And I can show you that right here, okay? Promotional limitations. This is their associates program policies, okay? And item 4 right there is telling you exactly what you cannot do. Any special links, which are the Amazon affiliate links, in connection with email, offline promotion, or any offline manner in any printed material, ebook, mailing, attachment to email, or other document, or any oral solicitation. You cannot do that. They want you to drive online traffic, okay? So all those videos on YouTube telling you to use these offline methods, you're going to get shut down, okay, if you use those methods. So the only two proper ways to use the Amazon affiliate program without a website and make money without a website is using YouTube and their influencer program. Okay, so first, YouTube. For example, this is how people are using YouTube to drive traffic and use the Amazon affiliate program to make money without a website, okay? So they just make these videos about the best cameras or the best whatever topic that you want to do. So you can pick a niche within Amazon, the products that you want to do, and do these types of videos. So I just searched for best camera for YouTube, and there's all these videos. So if I clicked on one of these, I'm going to see affiliate links that are from Amazon in their description. Look at all this Amazon links. So this is how you would do that. So he did 5 cameras, and he has the Amazon links for all 5 cameras on here. And he also has a website linked on here as well. But the Amazon products are all right there, just the raw links. And actually, you are not allowed to cloak these links. That's another rule that people are not telling you to do. And people are telling, or other YouTube videos are telling you to use Bitly to, hide your Amazon links, and it's not allowed per Amazon. So best of videos are one way, but you could also do like an unboxing of something, okay? So let's do unboxing. It looks like shoes. People love these types of video, and if you're unboxing, you could definitely just put a link in the video description for them to also buy what you just opened. People invest in all these products and do these unboxings because it's worth it to them to do that, because look at these views, okay? These views on these videos are crazy, and it is so worth it to have so many millions of views, or hundreds and thousands of views, because you could get a lot of sales from Amazon this way. So it must be worth their while to buy whatever shoe they want to do the unboxing. And don't forget, their cookie duration is only 24 hours, meaning when your audience or your visitor is clicking on your Amazon link, they only have 24 hours to actually buy for you to earn that commission. That is a very important point that I want to tell you, or else you may wonder why you're not getting any commissions even though there's clicks and people visiting your stuff, okay? The other way to do Amazon affiliate marketing without a website is using their Amazon influencers, okay? So if you're on their main page and you're down here looking at this, I just clicked on this link on the bottom, and that's how I got to this page. So what this one is that if you have a social media account like the YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook account, these are the only platforms apparently that are qualifying these days, because I'm a little shocked that TikTok is not on here, because I have seen lots of TikTok creators using Amazon affiliate program for their account. So maybe they are making exceptions and they just haven't put it up here. But what this is really cool, because you don't need to have your own website. You could actually have a storefront, your own specialized storefront on Amazon. And it's really fun to do. First of all, you need to qualify for this program. So you need to apply for it. You can just get started here and just apply through here. Because if you don't want to do it through the website, I would apply through this way, okay? But I'm going to take you inside my old influencer website so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so right now we're inside my back-end influencers dashboard, and this is actually my old link. So this is actually an Instagram account that I have. You could go check it out. And I haven't made any sales in 90 days, so they deactivated my shop. And that's because I stopped working on my Instagram account, and that's why it wasn't driving any traffic, okay? But it looks like I could reactivate it or just create a new one if I wanted to. All right, so it says that the URL is not active. And I was actually in the middle of changing it for a dog site I was doing. So you get a page like this. And so you have a header. And then here's the storefront. And this is what items that you can add to your store. So I added all this stuff. So I was in the middle of adding some dog stuff. But anyway, it was for my Disney account, my Mickey Life. And so I had all this Disney type products on my little influencer page. And I did get a few sales, but while I was having that account active, but I no longer have that active. So this is a great way to have something without building your own website. And this is very easy to do. All you're doing is searching the products you want and adding it into your little storefront on Amazon, and it's pretty easy to do. If you do want to go back to making money with a website with the Amazon affiliate program, then it's really best for you to learn how to build your affiliate website from the training that I've gone through myself to build workanywherenow.com. So this website here is called Wealthy Affiliate, and I've been using their training since 2016, and I've built workanywherenow.com based on their training. And of course, my affiliate site is not Amazon site. Okay, there's many affiliate programs out there, and so my website is about making money online. So I promote how to make money online, and I promote different programs that has to do with that. You can build any type of an affiliate site. They specialize in teaching people how to build a website for affiliate marketing. So it's perfect for you to learn how to build your Amazon affiliate website step by step. They have 5 levels of lessons for you to learn from. Each level has 10 step-by-step lessons that has text, videos, and tasks for you to do, so you could build your website along your training. So this is really awesome. The other awesome thing is that you can get a lot of help inside this community. There's a huge community of people inside this platform, okay? So you're going to get tons of help if you need any help. So you really want to be using a website because that drives the best traffic for affiliate marketing. Well, so is YouTube. I'm not going to lie about that. I'm saying, but if you want to do the website, if you don't want to do videos, you do want to do the text form, which is building an affiliate website. But it is best practice to use a website for all your affiliate offers. And so this is why building up your own blog is the best way to go, because YouTube is actually not owned by you. So, but if you do build your own affiliate website, you do own it 100%, because you could take your site to any host provider that you want. So it is best if you want to build your own affiliate website, because actually if you build your own affiliate website to a certain point where it's earning money, you can sell it for like 20 to 30 times what it's earning. So it's really advantageous for yourself to learn how to build an affiliate website and then maybe sell it one day if you don't want to take care of it anymore, or build a new one after that and then sell that one too. So people do that a lot, and actually I have a video talking about this exact thing, which I'll link in this corner right here. People are earning like 5 digits per sale of their website, because when you sell a website that's earning money, you get to sell it at 20 to 30 times what it's earning per month. So it's really cool. So if you want to get the training here, sign up with me. Use my link, workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, and that's how you could get my face on this website. If you don't use my link, you won't get my bonuses, which includes me as your coach on the platform. So there you go. There are limited ways to use the Amazon affiliate program without a website and make money without a website, but it is possible with the YouTube and the influencer program using other social media accounts. So those are the ways. That's how you can. Don't forget the offline stuff. Do not use that. So I hope you liked this video, and I hope it was informative of how to use the Amazon affiliate program and make money without a website. So just be careful and follow the rules, or else you could get shut down really fast, okay? So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways about affiliate marketing and different ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to see when my next video comes out. I hope I'll see you on the next one, okay? Bye.